Hey everyone, I'm Kevin with JcrOffroad. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install our Bronco lower control arm skids. So to get started, before the skid can go on, we're going to need to remove the two nuts here on the bottom of the strut bolts or studs if yours is still equipped with factory hardware. So before I do that, I went ahead and supported this tire. If you're doing this on the ground, that's perfect because then you're already got the weight of the vehicle sitting on the tires and the suspension. If you're doing it up in the air like this, just make sure that's supported. Then pull these nuts out. Now you can go ahead and leave those bolts in place. Next, you can grab your control arm skid. This vertical flange is going to mount to the front edge of the control arm. You can simply slide this up in place, lining it up with those strut mount bolts, and begin reinstalling the nuts. Now, before you get this any tighter, you want to make sure that these two outermost edges are kind of centered in these control arm pockets on the frame. Then you can grab the inner clamp bracket. You're going to want the taller edge of this bracket facing toward the front of the vehicle. This bolt hole flange will run out toward the tire, so it'll slide in place just like this. And then using the provided 3/8 carriage bolts and flange nuts, you can slide the carriage bolt in to the bottom of the skid, reach over the top, and begin threading those nuts on. So I'm going to start by tightening the nuts down here on the strut mount. Then again, reaching over the top side of the arm with a 9/16 socket, I can tighten the nuts to these carriage bolts. Then we can do the same thing up here on this front bolt. Now the installation for this over on the other side is going to be exactly the same. So if you have any questions about this install or any other product we offer here at JcrOffroad, feel free to reach out to us. You can email us at info@jcroffroad.com or give us a phone call 269-353-1184.